This is a quick video demonstration of the MannCorp wave exit conveyor. As you see, we have put a board on it, and we'll turn it on here in a second. Here are the controls. There are speed controls. The on-off button below the speed control actually turns the speed control on and off. The red button turns the continuous run conveyor on. Back. I'm going to get to the front here. You'll notice the amount of height adjustability in this. There's nearly 12 inches that you can get up on this. It is adjustable at both ends. Alright, let's turn this thing on. On it is. The next pass, I'll do it a little faster, show you a max speed on that. This is max speed right here, and this is minimum speed right here. And that concludes our short, brief video demonstration of the MannCorp wave exit.